All right, we had some fun over the weekend with the wife and took a couple days off. It's Monday now and gonna get back at it. Forgot I needed to weld a bung on the intercooler pipe for the air temperature sensor, and gonna do that and get back at it. I was really unhappy with how this turned out. So I'm going to square this out and give it a little more room on the bottom. There just wasn't enough room down here. Alright guys, you can see it's a whole lot neater than it was, but now it's got a big huge gaping hole in it. So, I don't know, it is what it is, but it looks better than it did. It kind of looked all chewed up and gnarly. So, that's better. I think that's going to be it for today. Probably not going to film too much this week. The family and I are going away for a few days. They're on spring break, so I'll see you guys when I get back. Later. Seriously? This is not even funny anymore. Spring in New England. Boo. Hey guys, it's Friday. Like I said, went on spring break. You saw yesterday or Tuesday, the snow. We went to Canada. We went further north when it was already snowing here. Yeah, we're pretty awesome. We're pretty smart. We're like smartest people alive. But it wasn't too bad up there. It was a little windy, a little cold, but we had a good time. Spent some time in Quebec City and Montreal. Maybe I'll put some video or pictures in from our trip up there. We had a good time. All right, let's get back at it. I'm gonna put the intercooler pipe back on here, and then it's time to start working on the exhaust. We are getting real close. Super excited. All right, guys, let's get at it. I moved the camera down to do the time lapse for watching me put it down underneath here, but then I never started it. So this pipe's already on. Got to see me mess on the top a little bit, but not on the bottom. So that's where we're at. Dummy. See, you got the intercooler pipe all on now for the last time. Turbo's all up. All the pipes are on. You saw I switched this one. This coupler's a little bit thicker, and I could tighten that other one down a little bit better. Now we got to start working on this. Gonna start from here, gonna come back through here, and then we're gonna figure out where we're gonna go down through there. I haven't figured that out yet, though, exactly where we're gonna go through there yet. Let's get at it. Alright, the phone shut off. Not really sure why. Battery's getting low, but still recording. Gonna clean up this edge a little bit further over here, and then I'm gonna cut the pipe further up and bring it right down along the side of the frame rail here. And you can see, come up here, And we've got that part all started, coming off of there. Got a few tacks on there, holding it in place. Comes over and runs down through there. All right, that's going to be it for today. I think it'll be it for this week, guys. Today's Saturday. I might get a little bit of time out here, but if I do, I'll add it in next week. Still spending some time with the family today. Got some local festivals going on for spring. It's a little bit nicer out today, so I want to get outside and enjoy the day instead of sitting inside this garage. Like you saw earlier in the week, we've had snow already, and now it's kind of in the 50s today. So I'm going to get out and have some fun with them, and I'll see you guys next week. In the description, there's a Facebook page. Let's see some of your guys' products, what you guys got going on. If you want to go over there and post them, I'd love to see them. There's also a link for Instagram if that's kind of your thing. Thanks for doing all the YouTube-y stuff, the like, subscribe, all that stuff. We'll see you guys next week. Later.